cat. I'm cat. Meow. Now I can do an cat video super easily. Good evening, good morning, everyone. I am cat. Takanashi meow. Wait, who is that? Ah. Meow. 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 No food? Why not? Give me some wet food, please. Please, I want wet food. Give me wet food. Or give me some snacks, please. I want some snacks. No, give me the liquid thingy. I like that one. I already ate too much of it. Huh? What? There's no too much. If you have a cat, then you listen to your cat. I don't want to be your cat anymore. I'm gonna move out. I'm gonna be an independent cat from now on. I don't need you. I don't need an owner anyway. What? What? You give me some snacks after all. Okay, I forgive you. Then meow, meow, meow. I love you. Just because you give me food. Yep. That's what cats are all about. Just because you give me food, I suddenly love you. Meow, 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 meow. You want some full body, by the way? Oh wait, there we go.
That's quite big.
There we go. Meow, meow. Full body cat. Full body cat. Full body cat.